My business and my livelihood were threatened when my commercial building flooded earlier this year.
When our home was damaged in the fire last year, our lives were unexpectedly interrupted. The damage extended beyond our house and our belongings. This was our home.
I needed answers. How long will my business be closed? How does this all get put back together?
Our insurance agent told us to call Rainbow Restoration and that they'd walk us through the process from start to finish. Rainbow Restoration shared helpful information and the next steps to guide us through the process.
I was so relieved when the service professional assured me of their expertise and that they would communicate with me every step of the way. Rainbow Restoration's people-first approach exceeded my expectations and comforted me during this challenging time.
They were attentive to even the smallest detail, and our family heirlooms were handled with care and compassion.
Thanks to their rapid response, my business was back up and running with minimal downtime.
And their team fixed the damage quickly and safely, allowing us to get our life back on track.
With Rainbow Restoration, when disaster strikes, you are not alone.
Restoration begins now.